Trending at usap-usapan nga ngayon sa social media ang relasyon ni Anthony Jennings at Maris Racal, at tila totoo na talaga na may relasyon ang dalawa dahil itong ex ni Anthony Jennings na si Jam ay may patama post sa dalawa. Ano kayang patama ni Jam na ex ni Anthony dito sa dalawa? Kasi naman itong si Maris, nung naghiwalay sila ni Rico, bagong hiwalay lang dahil ano daw, parang hindi na daw nag-grow ang kanilang relasyon, parang isa lang daw ang nagmamahal. So naulo siya pala yung dalawa-dalawa yung mahal, diba? Siguro ayaw na niya kay Rico, yun na, nagdrama-drama na siya, yun pala may kursunada ng iba. So back to Jam tayo. Jam Villanueva na girlfriend or ex na ngayon ni Anthony Jennings, ang nirepost ni Jam ang mga quotes na nararamdaman ng isang babaeng nagmamahal pero niloloko. Alam na natin kung sino yung pinaparinggan ni Jam. I like people who carry their scars with dignity, who have suffered and are still laughing, who have lost but still don't give up, who were treated badly but remain nice, who have been disappointed but still use their hearts, because the people who had bad lives are often the most beautiful people. So kung tutuusin, ang ganda ng girlfriend ni Anthony, ha? Ay nako Maris, payat ka lang Maris, pero hindi ka maganda. I would forget the way how I gathered my remaining strength to take screenshot while shaking badly from pain. Grabe ang sakit nito. Maris, isa ka talagang certified mga agaw. Bakit ka pa dyan sa may jowa talaga, no? Dapat love team na lang eh. Ayoko kasi guys na pag ganito na may nasasaktang babae. Diyos ko. How disgusting I feel knowing however far I could be, there is always feeling that you're not being loyal to me. Sino kaya pinaparinggan ni Jam? Finding out what they did behind my back. Baka nakita ni Jam ang mga message, di ba mga marites? Stay tuned until the end. I will never forget your conversation with the girl you told me not to worry about. Sana all. I know na si Maristo, syempre sila yung palaging magkasama. The audacity to act like nothing happened, as if they didn't disrespect and hurt people, ruin someone's mental health and cause trauma. Uy, grabe naman to. I just really realized how kind I was to the people who hurt me, seeing how I still try to understand their point of view, why they did what they did, and how I still close to forgive them, even invalidating my own feelings. TBH, it made me a little sad. Grabe. It sucks being a kind-hearted person and always being taken advantage of. Me looking at the person I never thought would hurt me so much. Siyempre, nagmahal ng sobra itong si Jam. People with good heart will never win. I never wanted to argue. I just wanted you to understand how much it hurt me. Empathy born out. I'm so sad to this story. Girl, that spark will come back. I promise you got this. Girl, and instinct is always finding out everything. Little miss thinks she can handle everything until she covering her mouth at 3 a.m. drown in tears. Ay nako Jam, sorry. How I feel this day, ang kabuuan na post ni Jam. Nakakasad naman to. Samantalang ang daming netizen ang nalungkot sa kinahihinatnan ng relasyon ni Anthony at Jam. Narito ang ilang mga komento ng mga marites. Ganda ng GF mo, tas babagsak ka lang kay Maris. Masyado ka naman. Miss M, lagot ka. Girl, comeback is real. Baka kayo talaga ni Rico, Charlings. I said for the most of us girls could relate much this stage of pain. From this kind betrayal, one you fear the most, one you cannot prevent. Once you start to see the man you love slowly slip through your fingers. Ang sakit talaga, will take years to move on, sabi ng isang netizen. Nakipaghiwalay si Maris kay Rico kasi siguro na-fall na siya kay Anthony. And now Anthony has the same feelings for Maris and it ended up breaking his GF's heart. Alam mo, pag may iba na naman tong love team si Maris, doon na naman, kanya naman talaga yung mga artista, kawawa talaga yung mga girlfriend or boyfriend nila. Ay nako, kaya mo yan, Jam. Pin will gun in the right time. You will heal, saan ng isang netizen. Kung ang mga fans dito sa Pinas ay kagaya sa Korean, kawawa ang ganitong artista dito. Hugs to Jam. Low-key fan naman nila ako ni Jennings. I knew it from the start. May pag-iyak-iyak pa si ate girl after breakup nila. O nga di ba? Akala mo sinaktan siya ni Rico? Siya naman palang may gustong ibang lalaki. Ay nako. The feeling of being betrayal, I feel you, laban lang, saan ng isa. Kaya nag-announce agad ng breakup nila ni Rico para maging official single agad, para maging legal silang dalawa sa media. Oh, di ba? Siyempre, si Maris pa, ang galing magdrama. May paiyak-iyak pa sa interview. Diyos ko. I feel very sad for Rico and Jam. Sige lang, kaya nyo yan. May karma ding babalik sa kanila. So, anong say nyo dito mga marites? Comment dyan sa baba kung sino ang isa ka ba sa naiinis kay Maris. Comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Corrided Official TV. Hanggang sa muli. And thank you so much.